to fit. But I'm shredding some pounds and turns out the 10. Normally, if I'm trying something on and I'm wearing thick socks, I'm concerned because I have eye instep as well. So I'm always concerned that it's not going to fit. And I try these on in the store and they fit beautifully. I love them. So I was excited. And like I said, they had it in my size, which is a 10. I was surprised about that. So I snatched these baby up. You can see, I just love them. Again, it's not a tiny eel. So it's a really nice eel and it's a booty jean skirt, whatever you want to rock these with, you're able to. And I love them. So that's why I grabbed these and I was excited to actually got them because I went online and looked and they had them online, but then they didn't have my size. Like I said, the 11 and the 10s always go first because us big feet girl, we like to grab those cute shoes really as soon as we see them in our size. So we just know when your feet is like over the 9 and you're in 10, those shoes go a lot quicker because there's a lot of us out there that wear that size, and sometimes I go in and I'm like, I miss, it's gone. No, we don't have the 10. And sometimes I grab the 11 and the 11 is just a little bit too big for me. In pumps sometimes that can work, but then my feet slide down in some of those. I just bought another pumps the other day and it was 10. It was a little tight and then I tried it on and it's way better now. So I'm glad I got it in the 10. So that's why I'm really happy about this one. So you guys will be able to see this one up. Let me know in the comments if you actually have it and what do you think. I really fancy Coach's shoes because the leather is just such good quality. And